Hello. Hello. एक minute. Hello. Are you able to hear me? Hello. Hello. Sharif. Yeah. Sharif. Hello. Hello.
Sir.
Yeah. Now it is coming. You are from Karnataka.
Yes, sir.
Acha, acha. 1 minute. Which part of Karnataka?
I am from Raichur district, sir.
Raichur.
North Karnataka.
Acha, acha. Raichur district. Raichur district is famous for what?
Sir, it is famous for the gold mines and the power distribution.
Gold mines.
Yes, sir. Hatti gold mines. The only one gold mines in India. Active gold mine.
Even now it is getting gold.
Yes,
Oh,
yes, sir.
because I know only Kolar which was closed. Huh?
Yes, sir. It was big and it is Hatti gold mines is the
small one.
No, sir. It is not area wise. It low sir. Chala low
Good.
Underground.
Apart from that, what are the other activities that are going on in Raichur district?
Sir, the Raichur district power distribution, sir. 40% of the power distributions are distributed from the Shaktinagara thermal power station in Raichur. And in Raichur district, Sindhanur Taluk, in Asia continent, the biggest market in the tractor selling.
Can you name the famous people from your place? Living or those who lived?
Yes, sir. In the religious, okay, sir?
Yeah, anything.
Okay, in the 12th century, in the Basavana's time, the two Vachana Dasas, Vachanakararu, Aidaki Lakkama, Aidaki Maraya. These two are from the Raichur district, and they are socially well in people view.
Good.
They were.
What is your degree?
Yes, sir, I completed in the BCom graduation.
Good. So what is a balance sheet?
Sir, balance sheet is a financial statement which prepared in the end of the financial year. It shows the financial position of the business, which it contains the assets and liabilities. Assets in the right side, liability in the left sides.
Good. What
Yes,
are the items that will appear under liabilities? What are the items that will appear under assets?
In the right side, sir, asset side, cash in hand, cash at bank, debtors, land and building, goodwill. These are all the right side, and the left side in the liability side, capital, creditors, and
long-term debts.
Yes, sir. Long-term
Reserves and surplus.
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. Very
Yes,
good,
sir.
very good. Nice.
Thank
you told nicely. Now,
Yes,
what can you explain what is credit worthiness?
Credit worthiness is the person can repay the loan. That is the called credit worthiness.
How it is decided by the banks?
it is decided by the bank through credit score, sir.
What is the credit score banks adopt?
Credit score is the score given by the CRISIL or credit rating companies. A person who taken the loan, if he pay the repayment loans in correct time, he will get the good credit scores.
Good.
Then, yes, sir.
Excellent. Good. What is your father?
My father name is Hussain Sir, but he's not now, sir.
He is no more.
No, sir.
What was the work he was doing?
He was a self-employed, sir. He had a small hotel.
Okay. Now, are you working now? Which year did you complete your BCom?
I completed in 2016.
Then after that, have you been working somewhere?
No, sir. I am preparing for the banking and insurance sector.
Acha. Is this the first interview you are attending?
Yes, sir. This is my first interview.
Acha. Good. Did you appear for other main exams in PO level?
No, sir. I appeared the PO level in 2019. In 2020, there is no post in the Karnataka. However, I applied for the Telangana, but unavailability of the vehicles, I didn't get there. So I let it go.
No, but don't tell
And
about applying for Telangana. Don't tell. Tell there was no vacancy in Andhra, so I did not.
Yes, sir.
That's right.
Karnataka. Yes.
What
sir.
way do you feel? What way you think RRB is suitable for you?
Sir, I am basically from the village area. I'm from village. I am a village candidate. I know the village culture. I can adjust easily in village, and my communication with the village people is good. That's why I'm capable to doing this job. I'm eligible for this job.
What is MGNREGA?
Mahatma Gandhi Narega, sir. Okay. Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Act, sir. It is a 100-day guaranteed employment scheme by the central government, sir.
Tell me something about that. In what way it is operated? Is it operated in your district? About that,
yes, sir. Yes, sir. It is operated in my district. It mainly Gram Panchayat taking care of that. I think I don't know much about that, sir. Sorry, sir.
So you have to know about this.
Yes, sir.
See, they are giving 100 days work, and
yes,
after giving 100 days work, what are the things they are getting them done? That
yes,
you
sir.
must be able to tell, like
yes,
like construction of roads or
yes, sir. Yes, sir.
improvement of land. I'm not sure. You please check it up.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay.
Yes, sir. Sure, sir.
Yeah. So, what I was telling you about, say, Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guarantee, that one you must know. Also,
yes,
please tell me what are the schemes that government is introducing for the welfare of farmers?
The government has providing many programs to empower the farmers. In that convention, Kisan credit cards.
What is Kisan credit card? Can you tell me?
Yes, sir. It is a revolving credit facility for the rural farmers. It is used for the it is used for loan crop. It is the loan for the purpose to improve the crop and the suitable time. Loan for the suitable time and suitable place. And it
no, actually you should mention about that the KCC limit is fixed based on the acreage of land the person is cultivating and the crop he is cultivating. It may be owner, it may be a sharecropper, or it may
Yes,
be
sir.
a tenant, no problem.
Mm.
That point you have to tell. And if he is repaying properly, he will get back the money in the next year also. It is
sir.
normally said to be valid for a period of 5 years.
Yes, yes, sir. And the scale of finance decided by the district level technical committee for that
Yeah.
purpose.
Good. Then what are the various deposit schemes of RRBs?
Sir, RRB gives the same as the normal commercial banks.
Mm,
It provides the demand deposit and term deposits. In
Mm.
demand deposit, CASA deposit, and term deposit, fixed deposit, and recurring deposits.
mm. Then, good. What are the loans that banks give? For which purpose bank gives loan?
Sir, RRBs.
Mm,
Sir, RRB's main function to provide the rural people, mainly for the agriculture improvement.
mm,
The RRBs give for the solar panels for the water pump, like Kisan, and improvement of the um, uh, cultivation of the farmer,
mm,
and cultivation processes, water pumping, bore wells,
mm,
and sericulture, honeybees,
mm.
agriculture and allied activities. The bank will give the loan for the farmers.
Mm. Good.
Yes, sir.
Why do you think you are suitable for this post?
Sir, I can't hear.
Why do you think you are more suitable for this post?
As I said earlier, I am from the village area, so I can easily manage in a village sector. The RRB is most of the branches in situated in rural area only. I know the culture in the village. I can communicate with the farmers and village people, so I can explain them the programs, schemes about the bank providing. So I can eligible. I am fit for this job.
Mhm. Can you tell me what do you understand by pledge?
So pledge is used in the gold loans.
Mm,
The gold, if a customer take his gold to the bank and he deposited with the bank its gold, and the amount will be provided by the bank. The ownership of the gold will be in the banks, and the secured loan.
Ownership will not come to bank. It will be lying with the customer only. Possession will be with the bank.
Yes, sir.
That is pledge.
Okay, sir.
Hypothecation means bank gives loan to for purchase of vehicles.
Yes, sir.
The possession will be with the borrower, but
Borrower.
ownership also
Ownership will
borrower. But the charge will be entered in the books of the car.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So this is what it is. Good. You told nicely. Now
sir.
tell me what is SEBI?
SEBI.
Ah,
Sir, Security Exchange Board of India. It is a capital market regulator. It is established in the 1982.
that date and all not required. 1992.
Okay, 1992. Okay, sir.
That's right. Then what is NPA? Expand.
Yes, sir. NP is a non-performing assets.
Expand SIDBI.
SIDBI. SIDBI. Sir, Small Industrial Development Bank of India.
What are the three types of loans given under Mudra loan?
Yes, sir. It is a Shishu, Kishore, and Tarun.
Amount?
In Shishu, it is up to 50,000, and Kishore more than 50,000 to up to 5 lakh, and in Tarun more than 5 lakh to up to 10 lakh.
Good. What are cash crops?
Cash crops, cotton, groundnuts, paddy, the crops which are used for the grow for the profit, that are called cash crops.
What are the examples?
Paddy,
Paddy नहीं,
sugar.
paddy नहीं होगा. Sugar cane, coffee,
Sugar-
cocoa,
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
cocoa and cotton.
Okay, sir.
Okay, first
I will
class.
elaborate. Okay.
First class. Now, can you tell me what are the border countries of India?
Sir, India has the Pakistan, China, Bangladesh, Nepal, Bhutan. These five I can remember now. This.
Okay, no problem. Correct. Includes Afghanistan also.
Yes,
What
sir.
is meant by beekeeping?
Beekeeping is a cultivation of honeybee, sir.
Mm. 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 Hello.
It can produce the it form the honeybees and to produce the honey, sir.
Good.
Thank you, sir.
Then do you have any questions, any doubts?
No, sir. I don't have many questions.
No doubts?
No, sir.
BCom, na?
Yes, sir.
Don't worry, revise something more about commerce. Also, go through guidely.com thoroughly.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Best wishes. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Bye.
Sir, can I ask one question?
Yeah,
How was my interview, sir?
good only. Minimum
Yes.
16 out of 20.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Best
Thank you very much,
wishes. And which
Thank you,
date is your interview?
Sir, 15th and first shift, sir.
15th. Oh,
Yes, sir.
okay. Good. Best wishes. After interview, send me the
Yes,
list
sir.
of questions. Now, there is no need for any interview for you, but read a lot. Read a lot.
Okay, sir.
Practice
Okay.
talking in
Yes, sir.
English. I think they are asking only in English.
No, sir. In Karnataka, they are
Both Kannada
asking
and
in Kannada.
both. But if
in-
you don't know Kannada, no problem. They
No,
are,
sir. I'm from Karnataka.
I know.
There is. Yes, sir.
You know Kannada, it is advantage for you. But it
Yes, sir.
seems many boys who don't know Kannada also, they manage because they talked in English.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Best wishes. God bless you.
Thank you, sir. Thank
Bye.
you, sir. Bye, sir.